Good morning. This kind of situation. There's a double tree. I already fell the first one. The second one, the more difficult is left. The back leaner. There's a block house, a fence, and some lamps. There's also a lamp. Another one. Only one felling direction. We are on a market place, parking area. Market is open from 7 in the morning to the 10 p.m. So we can't do this on that time. It's about 5 in the morning because we have to clean also this area before customers are coming to shop. What kind of technique? I drove my car there, put the tackle in it, going there. Let's see how does it go. Coming. Woohoo!